Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm playing a game that has been in my childhood forever, and it's called Doodle Jump. And I used to love this game, and I used to be obsessed when I was younger. So yeah, happy April Fool's Day and Easter and my birthday. Woohoo! Oh God, how do I even? Oh, I never played this on computer. Oh no, wait. Yep. Go. Yup, go. Oh my God. This is actually very deadly in my opinion, because I didn't know how to play this with computer. Okay, guys. Oh God. Okay. I haven't played this game since I was 5, and now I'm 11, so it's just like. So 6 years ago, I haven't played this game until 6 years ago. Oh my God, guys. That's so cool. I just found out this thing that I didn't even know about. Not even when I. Guys, I think this is the biggest high score I've ever got on this game. Um, no! No, my name is not Doodler. Aww. I think I can change. Yes, I can. My name is not Doodler. You guys can ask, why is my username on Animal Jam? Oh God, sorry guys, I wasn't paying attention. Why is my username on Animal Jam Sasha Pup if clearly your name is not Sasha, it's Scarlet? Well guys, it's because my dog's name is Sasha. Oh, yo, yo, yo. Oh, oh God. No! Yep. No! Why do I keep on stepping on these nuts? Just kidding. I still can't believe I found this game from my childhood. Like, okay. Oh, no! Oh, God. Okay. One last round of this. Okay. No, I'm just gonna jump like this. Dang it, it doesn't give me a high score. This game hates me so much right now. Oh! Okay, guys, so that's it. Bye.